Welcome to Dude by Djsprc. And this beautiful day, I want to wish you Happy New Year, and may all your wishes come true this year. And let's put 2024 behind us and look forward to all the greatest RCs might be coming. Or maybe you had from Christmas. That's possible too. There is a couple on my side that came in. Yeah, but from everybody from Djsprc and myself, really want to wish you Happy New Year and make it the greatest one. To everybody at the Facebook group of Djsprc, thank you for being there too. ORC, wow, Ottawa Rock Crawler to Facebook, thank you again. And all my subscribers, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Just thank you for being there. Again, Happy New Year, have a great one, and see you soon.